Can you introduce yourself and the sport you'll be competing in?
Hello po, ako po si Rudsma Abubakar. Ako po ay isang Muay Thai athlete.
How are you preparing for the World Games? Do you have any personal rituals, routines before a big event?
Yung ginawa po namin, nag 2 months training po kami sa Baguio. At ritual siguro magdasal po bago maglaro.
What does it mean to you to present the Philippines on the global stage?
Sobrang saya po, overwhelmed. At hindi po inakala na makakapag laro po sa The World Games po. Yan.
What's one non-sporting skill or hobby you might have that might surprise you?
Siguro after ng laro, magbakasyon. Yun lang po. Mag-beach, ganun. Beach activity. Yan.
To the games, what does it mean to you and your fellow athletes that brands shows you?
Nakakatuwa po kasi hindi lang po pala yung PSC, POC yung nagsusupport po sa mga atleta. Pati rin po kayo, Sports Plus.